Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into delete request. So delete is used to delete any of the record from the website. Okay, so some of the tests which you can do is that after delete that resource is removed from the website or not. Okay, so in this demo we will just see whether we are able to delete the record in response we are getting something or not. Okay, and the status code which is 201 which we are getting or not. Okay, let's go back to the API documentation. Okay, let's click on delete booking. Okay, and let's copy this. Okay, and then add a request. Let's say delete booking. Okay, ideally you can, after running this delete request, you can do a get using this ID, and you should see that you are not getting any result. Since this is a dummy set, that is not possible. This is a static data which is used here. Okay, so that part we will not be able to test at this moment. But when you are doing this on any real-time website, make sure you are trying to do a get after you are doing the delete. Okay, so just to make sure that the data is actually deleted, it is not just that the status you have received. Okay, so if I'm directly deleting it, should not be able to do that because I have not authorized it. Okay, so let's click on authorization. Let's select basic auth. It is going to pick from the previous request. Okay, let's click on send. Okay, so sometime this happens because of the load. Okay, let's try in some more time. Let's give a pause and let's try after some time. Okay, looks like the server is still busy. Let's try to do it. Let's try to change the ID here. Okay, and see if that allows us. Okay, okay. So you were able to do that. Okay, so the status code which we got is 201. Okay, created, and this is the response which is stated in the API documentation as well. So if you see this, that's the response you should be getting 201 status code and they created below. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.